Hello people, welcome to our channel. Thank you for the trust shown to us towards our channel by subscribing slowly. I'm glad and delighted to see your responses. So here we go. This is a 30 minutes chart time frame and the chart is of Nifty 50. So if you see 30 minutes के चार्ट पे 38 जून को सुबह 9:15 बजे एक बड़ी सी रेड कैंडल बनती है which has engulfed few candles around 6 to 7 candles before. जब बड़ी कैंडल बनती है तो हमको वेट करना है कि इसका हाई को निकाले अगले बुलिश मूव के लिए. बट एवरी टाइम इफ यू सी दिस हैज returned exactly from this level of the low of the candle, almost of the close of the candle. And 1st, 2nd जुलाई and 3rd जुलाई को डेली कैंडल पे एक ब्यूटीफुल क्लू मिलता है हमको which gives us a clue where it says that it's gonna give a good move either upside or downside. So we need to catch it up. हमको सिंपल से सिंपल मूव्स पकड़ने हैं. Why are candlesticks so important? ये हमको आज समझ आएगा. Now if we see one thing is एक तो inverse cup and handle बन रहा है. So when inverse cup and handle is made, I get a clue कि यहाँ पे कुछ होने वाला है. Second thing, if we see यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा कंसोलिडेशन होता है. कंसोलिडेशन का ब्रेकडाउन होता है, right? And the third thing is here we get a trend line breakdown. Now overall we have three clues, four clues. One is cup and handle, second is daily time frame पर एक clue, third है trend line breakdown, fourth है small consolidation breakdown with a huge red candle. Now here there is a small gap down and यहाँ पे cup and handle, inverse cup and handle का breakdown होता है. Now if you see the first 30 minutes candle is not being taken up. There are huge sellers involved here. This can also be found through the option data analysis. So if we see this is 11th of July and we keep on going 18th July, slowly the price is going down. The premiums are melting if you are a fender or derivative trader. And if we see the exact percentage from here to here, let's take up till here, because these are around 18 days. 29 July को we are getting 2.8% का move, which is 719 points. So let's take it up as a round figure. Let's take it up as 700 points. 700 points का move हमको 18 दिनों में देता है ये. And how do we catch that move? That's we need to understand. So बहुत ही छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है. Candlesticks का details, some patterns का details, somewhere it also works with Fibonacci levels and also with some these resistance areas which I strongly believe are worked beautifully. So if you want to learn in details, you can definitely join us. छोटा सा introductory session होगा जहाँ पे आपके stocks के बारे में भी बात किया जाएगा and whatever we are planning to do आपको बता दिया जाएगा. If you are interested, you can definitely message to the number provided. Only messages are allowed. Please go ahead with that. Take care. Goodbye. See you. Jai Hind.